British English versus American English. There are differences between British and American English that include pronunciation, grammar, vocabulary, spelling, punctuation, and time telling. First, the difference in pronunciation of some words in British and American English. First, we will start with the British pronunciation. Schedule, schedule. Data, data. Nike, Nike. Mobile, mobile. The sound of the letter A is also different in some words where the British pronounce it A and the Americans A. Listen to the difference. Bath, path. Laugh, laugh. Class, class. Chance, chance. Ask, ask. After, after. Can't, can't. Example, example. And the sound of the letter R is also a little bit different in both pronunciations. It is pronounced stronger in the American English. Listen to the difference. Hard, hard. Ear, ear. Pure, pure. More, more. Chair, chair. Bar, bar. And finally, the T sound in the middle of the word can be different in British and American English. In this situation, Americans often pronounce the letter T like a quick D. Listen to the difference. Better, better. Water, water. Hated, hated. Writing, riding. Bottom, bottom. Native, native. Bottle, bottle.